Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to shin t square, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus shin t square and we have cos t square. Later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have ds equal to number 2 shin t cos t dt. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. The s we change by this one. 1 plus shin t square we change by cos t square. Next, this one we have cos t. Later that we simplify shin t cos t on numerator and denominator. So this one we have cosecant of t, and I will put number 2 in here. The integration of this one, we have ln of tan s over 2 in here. T in here. And we put about c. So about t, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have the square root of s equals to shin t, and we have t equal to arcshin of the square root of s. Now I will put this one to change for t. And don't forget about the absolute value in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.